Here, Compassionate Capitalist. Okay, so I'm lobbing all these little thoughts out there when it comes to crowdfunding and general solicitation, and disclosure of information is a topic. Okay, so what as an investor should you expect? You need to understand, and entrepreneurs need to understand, a video doesn't get it. You got to have a plan to actually get into the marketplace and make money. You need to be able to show that you have the ability to produce a product. If you're at the very early stages, you need to have a prototype. If you're beyond a prototype, then you need to have customers that are willing to buy. You need to have done research that understands how you're going to go sell it, who's going to buy it, why are they going to buy it, what are they going to pay for it, and how you're going to go to market on it. You have to have a deep knowledge of it, and you need to communicate that to the investor so they think that you have a hope of becoming a successful company. Otherwise, they're not going to give you the money. And investors shouldn't give you money if you're just a dream and not a plan.